number language samaliya something test le shugu ani zindagi big look to sama and kasi ngaje looking rational numbers la de ngaje ani lot of chobe kapsu loki chi yore and dinami ngaje tanda loki chi masabe da three joshi thangbo de kharcha ru dula shugarishna ani students will be able to represent rational numbers on a number line. So lotu sogi ngajo tharigi zidat dus thewa da khari kyam ure shuwajna rational number di number line ga ya khandis ten tu gu me chwa dikang shwe yi so thangbo de lotu zo khari kyam ure sna number line ana khande chil shugu me a line marked with numbers with equal spacing. So penachase barachna number line la yewa dojini yores. We have a vertical number line and we have a horizontal number line. So we most often use this horizontal line to represent any numbers on the number line. So pugusolia number line la yewa ni yewa kerochi vertical khatu ya lang the number line sta and horizontal. So the example manju number line la example la mangche this shugores. So number line lana a line marked with numbers. Penechatsu barashana thangbo delia manju gi mark chini kima delia and 0 is marked at the center and this is called the origin of the number line. Number line the origin to 0 chalure and with equal spacing we mark the numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And towards the left also we have a numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and -8. Since this is a line, the line in Masonza, you can see that there are two arrows, which means the lines go on and on up to infinity on both the directions. So they type joya mere study number line the most to the is. Today in Masonza number line la is a line marked with numbers with equal spacing. For the package with number line gi spacing the cheaper you add package which had go re din nga chat do so pugu chame the number line na condition la gi me save ke gi re tang anjo delia as we move the numbers from zeros towards the right. So your right side la move chivers now. The numbers are greater. So therefore these numbers which are on the right side of zeros are called positive numbers or positive integers, right? And the numbers as we move towards the left side of the zero, the numbers decreases. So left side the number the chung is, and these numbers which are on the left side of 0 are called negative numbers or negative integers. So po chame gi sebuch hapo achi is so dinashin manzugi every number has a corresponding negative value towards it except 0. 0 mato pus data 0 mato 1 la example kolia kurangi corresponding negative number sudo -1 tanashi -2 gi corresponding kurangi positive integer sudo na +2. So 2 minus -2, +1 -1, +3 -3. So every integer has its corresponding negative integer except 0. 0 mato samar yores. 제일 상가 당한적이 들이 로진디 가르쳐 오래 보고 상마 패시브 차스와 가르쳐 오래 rational number line calculate. So integer number line calculation suppose if we are asked to represent -7 on the number line lawarishna dela -7 dikwalo del doa, so we can mark this as p. So point p represents -7 on the number line, which is towards the left side of 0. Negative la this on left side la yoro numbers shwelia 0 the 1 diparalia number yore yoma reslan kesti bachine integer yore yoma la na posame yoma resla ani penechashina 1 down 5 ki integer parala integer khajad vela na posame sumro integer 1 the 5 paral integer khajudulana che ye sumdus sumro integer sumdus sures lana 2 3 and 4 are integers between 1 and 5 lagwa ta churanzul chiwadu chkusuna 0 the 1 ki paral integer dwes lana pu same khad surele no sumro di integer sambala ta 0 the 1 ki paral ya integer mewarasina khurani ki paral number shimba yor bes la di sambala pu same ki samustang go chaso so penetration of mozo delia khurani kima takta di khari ba same skingore half is between 0 and 1 half is a rational number 1 by 2 is a rational number so number ni ki parla rational number di 22 do mozo ta 1 by 2 di yo rasina ta jinye ni shu na shi every integer has a corresponding negative integer yo na shi 1 by 2 di la manzo girwa it has a corresponding negative rational number shimba di yo is negative 1 by 2 so number zo 1 by 2 the rational number the number line gal 22 ina negative 1 by 2 ge 22 ta pu so sami khen so number line gal 2 le ya ani yawa do shini tu pu sama shwe le ya ta yawa ni de kar cha du na case thang de la when the numerator is less than the denominator and case ni de kar cha du na when the numerator is greater than the denominator so three months ago representation of rational number on a number line whose numerator is less than the denominator. We take only numerical values to compare between the numerator and the denominator. Numerator chair, denominator chair, number sign the link Delia 0 chepuzo manzuki delia negative 2 upon 3 to which lemmarajna we don't consider the negative number we just consider the 2 here the numerator is 2 it is less than the denominator 3 yeah. Negative 2 the kid no mare negative 2 the mazo lemmarajna chunga yimbarwa so this is on the sign D we take only the numerical value, not the sign. What is that also? Penetration version, delia, manzuki number the list lembarishna, negative 7 upon 5. So it's lembarishna. Only to dan chibarishna, value lembarishna, numerator the surera varishna, negative 7 wa. Negative 7 is less than denominator 5 lagwa. So manzuki negative the kigo mare. We take only the numerical value. So do you example 7 is the numerator. Numerical value 7 so 7 is greater than denominator 5. So the construction. So we take only the numerical value. So sign the masha and 7 the 5 su chair 7 chair. So it comes under the second category. Category ni bad na let go so category thambodre ni badre so then so this rational number comes under which category? Category 2 by 5. Negative 5 by 3. So the category the category case 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 numerator should be less than the denominator and we should consider only the numerical value. So so the lane here the numerator is we consider only the numerical value 2 is less than the denominator 5. So therefore this is case number 1. Numerator here the numerical value of the numerator is 5. Negative not sir low numerical value is 5 is greater than the denominator 3. Therefore it comes under the case number 2. Case number so case number rational number line the rational number line numerator denominator and case So case number steps to plot a rational number on the number line. Case numerator the denominator it always lies between 0 and 1. What is that? 0 the 1 ki para lies here yimbar is case positive ina. Negative yimbar it lies between 0 and negative 1. So these numbers will be positive rational number negative rational number numerator rational number line number line represent 2 by 5 on the number line. So there you have solution to this number. Since the numerator numerator the 2 is less than the denominator. Denominator 5. Therefore, it always lies between 0 and 1. Numerator chunga yuesa yushugola katu yune bochame kharishi bachure 0 the 1 di para light yodi bochame shim bachugutalo. So the example it lies between 0 and 1 so once you 0 the 1 chipo must plot chibu mare. We need to draw this number line such that only 0 and 1 is plotted. Number 0 the 1 chipo must plot chibu mare. So number D 0 the 1 ki para light chibu pese uchazar. So 0 the 1 day is chess chinerwa. Ani samla niwa dikhache. Ta gache re ye khala do. 0 the 1 ki para light chibu se uchazo. Numerator chunga yuwa so danga zo rational number 2 3 4 dana shi ba zo 3 wa me. Use denominator to split into equal parts. So numerator the numerator the 2 rays and denominator the 5. Here the denominator is 5. So denominator the 0 the 1 para light chigo se Tadi tumbu khazol tango me di khattu we have to check the denominator. So denominator is to divide the fraction or the segment into number of equal parts. It tells us how many number of equal parts to be divided. Denominator khattu in a number of equal parts to be divided. So the tumbu ngal tango res lasha. Here since the denominator is 5. So we need to divide 5 equal parts between 0 and 1. So tumungal tang is the tumu chiponga scale shy ni kaba shy beche ni tumu chechung keba swe ma tumungal che ni som shi nga tumu chipongal tang is. So the rally denominator. So denominator tells us to divide the segment into number of equal parts. So, khatzel divide tango maybe denominator is. Numerator is. So, since the denominator is 5, so we need to divide 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts. So denominator 5 in the 0 the 1 the tumbu chipangal tangures. Kisi denominator 4 ina 0 the 1 the tumbu chipo shil tangures. Kisi denominator the sumina 0 the 1 para tumbu chipo sum tangures. Okay. Then numerator khala na since the numerator is numerator the puzo numerator is 2, so it tells us how many parts we have to move the numbers from 0 ne the to the positive is on the right side la khasu move chure puzo sia de ni move chure so 1 2 call is the one. So this is the rational number 2 by 5 on the number line. So which has that's number 2 by 5 is. And there we have means the P. Therefore, point P represents 2 by 5 on the number line. Point P represents 2 by 5 on the number line. Point P. 2 by 5 rational number years of a negative 2 by 5 year or corresponding value. Represent negative 2 by 5 on the number line. So since the numerator 2 negative we take only the numerical value. Since the numerator 2 is less than denominator, since the numerator 2 is less than the denominator 5, it lies between 0 and rational number chidan numerical value the 2 the 5 number is rational number the negative rational number so it lies between 0 and negative 1 0 and negative 1. So the example 0 the 1 ki para mare 0 the negative 1 ki parla light is left side la positive years of shugula corresponding negative rational number year. Since the denominator is 5, denominator 5, we need to divide 0 and negative 1 into 5 equal parts. Tanjidi manzugi positive 1 la tumbu time ba. So tatanda di kharcha rure nanzo delia tumbu na tamure step uzo sia che ye song shi na. So the negative 1 da tumbu na time. So lead negative rational number you becomes in the numerator right denominator su che do chung atari negative kin do yo mare bozo in the number quran chidan in number quran kare negative rational number so it lies on the left side of 0 so cha se bozo di imba sonza chiwa ji sil de 두번가 땅에 집을 쓰는데 파절 두번가 땅 단지 수절 두번가 땅 단지 0 the 1 ki para light 지고래 numerator chung 있어 다른 0 the negative 1 para light 지고래스 피치산이 시골이야 numerator이 가려고 하려나 0니 파 가지고 두면 so 2를 잡아 0니 move 가지고 지고래라나 해만이 제니 so 디 가르쳐라나 negative 2 by 5 so let us say this as q point q represents negative 5 on the number line. 세우차 유시아래 보고서 다 딜로 법에게 이게 지워하시 시구이 안 다리기 로체. So students will be able to represent rational numbers on a number line whose numerator is less than the denominator. only and 지워하시 시구로 나눠